Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm cooking. It is Monday morning. It is now 6:07. Yes guys, I got up at 5:30 and I kind of got some stuff started already guys, and here now to show you what I'm doing. I'm cooking guys because yesterday was Sunday and we didn't get to cook, so we had my boyfriend left my boy KFC for us last night when he picked me up from work, so we had that. So you know, your girl can't keep spending money whether it's his own whatever. So I already had my chicken and everything seasoned, as you will see in the clip. So guys, I just took out the pasta I need to cook. They're already in the oven. I'm gonna bake them. So I spitball my chicken first in the oven, then I will add my barbecue sauce and all that after. So the chicken is in the oven. I got my water here boiling for the macaroni, and I got the other pot on the stove there guys with some lentil peas. I'm gonna cook a small thing of lentil peas because everybody in this house fed up a rice except for my clay daughter. She love a rice that. So let me just come and cook with me guys. Just come and cook with me, okay? Just no talking, just come and cook with me guys. You see me do this a many times, but I know you guys love my cooking videos and this is to inspire you guys, so just come along and cook with me guys. All right, enjoy. Alright guys, so this is the macaroni I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna break them up and use it guys. So this is a pack, and this you could basically say this is another pack, but only a little bit they take out of this one, so we're gonna use these two guys. So here is my rice. You don't know how I cook my rice guys. The peas I put it to cook first, then I wash in my rice after the peas is cooked. I just add a little salt, some parsley and some butter to it guys. So I'm just gonna cover it now and let it do it thing there guys. Over here now guys, my daughter, well one of them, which is the clearest one, she's gonna show me how she cooks her pie, because apparently everybody in this house like how she do her pie. So let me see what she adding in this guys. Go ahead. She already add onion. What you see in there guys is the onion.
I can feel how I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me, build me up on the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now. 'Cause I don't think I'll make it here without. 'Cause it's you and only you. 'Cause it's you and only you. Time goes, just flies when I hold you close. In my arms with your eyes closed, for the first time I've got hope. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here without. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here without. 'Cause it's you and only. 'Cause it's you and only. 'Cause it's you and only. 'Cause it's you and only.
Alright guys, I just took the foil off of this one. So this is how it looking when you take it out of the oven, when you put boil it in there. Or guys, what you could do, you could also put boil it on your stove, in a pot. And these are just wings in this one. So guys, I'm gonna mix up my sauce and I'm gonna throw it on top there, guys.
You don't know what goes on behind these eyes. You don't know the loneliness hidden inside. You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. Cause I'm a black girl for your love. Suck you, na na na, my center of gravity. Cause it's true, na na na, everything they say about me. All of you like a supernova, burned into you like a shooting star. Always craving for you to come to me. Though this way of life, no, it ain't healthy, but ain't no other way, it's just what I need. I want all your soul, I want your body. I'm the type that licks her play clean. Don't wanna let go, wanna you can eat. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have.
Alright guys, so for the 2 chicken guys that I had cut up and seasoned, I still have the breast part here guys. I just deboned these parts and I still have these here guys. So what I am going to do, since I'm not going to be cooking them today, I'm going to put them in 2 separate bites for 2 separate days of cooking guys. So now guys, this is another way showing you how you can stretch chicken. Remember, 2 chicken that I cut up guys, and all I have is what I baked today was the wing, the leg, and the thigh part of the chicken. That is what I have baking today, and that is gonna serve us for today Monday, tomorrow Tuesday, and Wednesday. Normally Wednesday and Thursday is my meatless days, but when I cook like this late like this, like how I didn't get to cook yesterday, we fall into that. This I will just use another day as the meatless day. That's how I rotate it. Things don't always go how you plan it guys, because life always happens. So yeah, so these I would normally cut them up into smaller pieces, and I will use them in like a quick stew for a day. Like when I'm doing, like, we want to do a little stew or roti, I will cut it up and put it in a roti, cut it up really small, and this will serve in roti for 2 days for you guys. 2 days. So this is 2 pieces I put in here guys, and the other 2 pieces I'm gonna put in here. So this is a good way guys to stretch your meat guys. For those of you meat lovers, you might be saying, Vincy girl, you mad as hell, cause me love meat, so that ain't enough meat for me. Well guys, if that's the case, well, do you. I'm just here showing mamas out there in this kind of time, or even dads who watching in this kind of time, how you can stretch your meal. In our household, we ain't so much, I wouldn't say we ain't a fan of meat. We are a fan of meat, but my kids don't really fret and they don't really ting up. As long as there's meat in there and the food is delicious, my kids are fine with that. And to be frank and honest with you guys, you don't need a lot of meat to flavor food or so forth. And we get enough protein in this house guys. We do. We really do. So I'm going to put these in the freezer guys, and when I want them I will just take down them and do them. And this week, I think it's this week or next week, on my menu have roti. So what I will take them down, cut them up into smaller pieces, and get to do my roti guys. So
You don't know what goes on behind these eyes. You don't know the loneliness hidden inside. You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. Cause I'm a black girl for your love. Cause I'm a black girl for your love. It's true, no, no, no. Everything they say about me, I'll suck you, no, 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 to my center of gravity. Cause it's true, no, no, no. Everything they say about me, I'll love you like a supernova, burned into you like a shooting star. Always craving for you to come to me. Though this way of life, no, it ain't healthy, but ain't no other way, it's just what I need. I want all your soul, I want your body. I'm the type that licks her play clean. Don't wanna let go, wanna you can eat. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more.
Just took the pies out the oven. So here they are. Yeah guys, looking good, smelling good too guys. Also I basted my chicken guys, and I push them back in, so they're gonna be in there for another about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out guys. So chicken is now out of the oven. Yeah, yes guys, look at those lovely color and everything guys, lovely. So guys, I'm not gonna get to share the food to show you how the plate look. My kids have to share them for me. This is it. I'm gonna get ready now to go to the salon guys. It's after 8 and my first client's supposed to be at 10, so let me go and get ready guys. So see you in a bit.
Before you try and really start.